water.
Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, obviously by the title, I'm going to reattempt to apply a wig. I have not opened them. I have all this packaging here that I just received. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, I did purchase my first wig ever with Amazon, and it didn't even go as planned. Everything was really bad. I'll link it somewhere here, that way you guys can go check that video out and then come back to this one. That way you guys are not lost on what I'm talking about. But to update you guys with that previous wig, I did contact the seller and I emailed them and I told them that I wanted a refund, basically because obviously the wig was damaged and it was used. So they literally right away emailed me with a with some kind of code to return it, to go drop it off at a UPS store with no charge to me. So basically I send it back and they pay for the shipping. And then once the UPS store scanned it that I was returning it, like literally those 5 to 10 seconds that I was there, I received an email confirmation saying that they received the ¿cómo se llama? Like the scanning receipt from UPS, so my money should be back on my account within 3 to 5 business days or algo así. So I got my money back, which that's good, but I was so disappointed because it was my first wig ever and I was so mad. As you guys can tell in that video, I kept cursing a lot, and I know I shouldn't, but I was so mad. And yet, I mean, that's me, I curse a lot. But anyways, I'm gonna start opening this packaging, and this time I ordered 2 wigs. I just hope and pray they're not used, they're not damaged, and hopefully it comes out good también, because I mean, like I said, I've never played a wig before. So which one should I open first? I am so scared. Okay, here we go. I'm so nervous, like so nervous. Honestly, también I feel like I don't even know what to expect, you know? Because you just never know. Please. Oh my god. Okay, I told myself don't purchase from the same store again, and guess what I did? I purchased from the same store. Honestly, the packaging though, to be honest, compared to the last one, this packaging looks way better. The other one, it was all wrinkled, and look at esta se ve mucho más mejor. So maybe they did send out the right one this time, or I mean a new one. Hey, what the hell? Oh my god, I got scared. Okay, so let's just open it. Let's see what they sent out. You see the difference on my last video? The caps were out of this bag. Ni venía en una little plastic bag, and the other ones were just like this. This one legit looks so better than the other one. So that's a plus already. Okay, so here comes the wig. So, oh my god, it's heavy. It's like really heavy. So this is the wig. I todavía le tengo que sacar so you guys can see how it looks. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Okay, I could tell that this is new. On my last video, the other wig, I already see the lace. It is the lace. The other wig no venía with this net. It just came like literally with no net. It just came in this little plastic bag. And this time I decided to get a different color, but I had no idea it was the same store. Ooh, okay, this is pretty. Look. Oh my god, this is really pretty. It's really long. It's very heavy, really heavy. Look at 𝓚𝓲𝓴, and it's curly. It has black roots, and then obviously the lace. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try to put it on. I already have my hair up like this. I'm just gonna pull this up y ponérmelo con bobby pins. Damn, my hair is heavy también, so. Hopefully it stays. Okay, now I have no idea if I'm doing this right, but let's just try it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the thing, the wig cap. Oh my god. This is hard. What the hell? 𝓚𝓲𝓴𝓪𝔁𝓁 or something. Oh, there it goes. Meter todo el pelo. I think that's what you're supposed to do. I'm not sure. Damn, I look funny. Okay. I think that's as close. Either my ears are all red because of my hair dye. Okay, so my cap is on. Am I supposed to glue it? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. No. I don't know. Okay. So here's the wig one more time. I honestly love it. Like, it feels so nice. Oh, bitch, I'm gonna look different. Okay, so here we go. Oh, wait. Hold on, I need a mirror. Okay, so let me fix this. Oh, shit. Wait, I think it... This is... Oh, I need to cut this up. That way you guys don't see it. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna try to apply this wig. So what I did, mejor I put it all over my ear también. And then with this little brush kit I ordered from Amazon, I'm just gonna grab some glue. First of all, I don't know if I'm doing this right, so no me van a copiar. So I'm just gonna put it all around right here. I'm not gonna go under it because I heard this glue is super glue, so I don't want it to. So I'm just gonna apply it todo aquí. I'm trying not to get my own hair because I don't want to go bald. Okay, hopefully that's good enough. I'm just gonna let it dry up a little or get like khaki para que it can hold on to the I don't know, to my hair. And then I'm just gonna cut up todo aquí, right here, obviously the ear part. This is how I saw Daisy applying her wigs. What the hell? What the hell do I have here? So I'm just gonna cut it all around. This is why this video is called attempting to apply a wig, because I mean, I know what I'm doing, but this is obviously my first time applying it. It seems so much easier when watching somebody else applying their wigs. And now I'm just cutting this. Okay, so I've seen a few videos where they use a hair dryer, so I'm gonna try doing that. It should pop. This mini dryer BOXYCHARM me la mandó, and this is the first time I'm even using it, and it hella works. It's really good. Okay, it's literally taking me forever to apply this cap on. I've only cut this side and I'm still waiting for this side. It's just not sticky. I don't know por qué. Oh my god. I need to find a better solution on how to what the hell do I have right there? Oh my god, it doesn't want to stay. What the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna try the black one because I have no idea why this glue doesn't want to stay. I thought it was the best. What the hell? Okay. My foundation's all messed up. My hair's all fucked up. Okay. Okay. This one worked a lot faster than the yellow one. Okay, luckily this side it's already dry up, so hopefully it's a lot faster to apply it. So aquí está, and I'm just gonna start cutting it, I guess. I'm gonna try not to cut it like too close to the... Okay, so the lace is off. Okay, you guys, so I took out the lace. Now it has no lace on it. Am I supposed to do what now? Apply... What am I supposed to do? Look at this shit lifting up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. I'm just gonna start applying mask glue around it so it can hold on to the wig itself. Oh, Let me work one side first and then start working my way around. Damn, that cap is literally not working with me. This is so hard, you guys. Seriously, it's so hard. I'm trying to... I need to obviously mess with it so that que no se vea como like I'm actually wearing a wig. I love como se ve aquí, how it looks like it's literally coming out from your scalp, like literally. Okay, so I think this is as good as it's going to get for right now. I just really have to mess with it and keep fixing it more and more. I want to cut up a little bit of baby hairs so that I could like ¿cómo se llama? Like do some edges around here and maybe it'll look more realistic. And then, but honestly, this wig is so cute, but this is how it looks. Let me turn back so you guys can see the back. It's really nice. Overall, I think it's a really nice wig, and I'm sure once I manage to work with it, se va a ver mucho más mejor, you know? I don't know if it goes with me though. And honestly, ni parece que... Oh, bitch. Okay, this here honestly looks so good. Hold on. She's so cute. Like, who is she? I feel like a bad bitch now. Oh my god, you guys. I applied this beanie on and it looks 10 times better. Like, how fucking cute. It looks so fucking cute. I need to stop kissing. It looks so freaking cute. Like, I am obsessed with this wig. Oh my god. I feel like once they put a freaking beanie on or maybe even a hat, it'll look way more better, like más natural. Oh my god. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below, you guys. Don't be shy, comment. Like, literally, this looks amazing. Like, am I tripping or what? Okay, you guys, so now I'm literally gonna show you guys the next wig. I hope it's as bomb as this one. I swear I cannot wait for winter to come or fall, porque I'm gonna be wearing this bitch. She is gorgeous, like gorgeous. Okay, you guys, so I took off the other wig. I have no idea what's going on here. I still haven't managed to be able to put it on together or glue it down together, but whatever. Let's just move on to the next wig because I do have 2 wigs to show you guys. So I just hope and pray again que it's again. So, oh my god, I literally have a mess. Okay, so here's the next one. Let's just open it. Oh my god, I'm in love with the other wig. And I'm telling you guys, with that beanie on, it looks so much better. Okay. Girl, sit down. Okay, so here's this. So we're gonna open it. We're gonna open it de volada because I'm already excited. I already want to know. Oh look, me mandaron another one. I don't know if it's 1 or 2. I think it's just 1. Okay. This one doesn't have, oh my god, it's heavy. It doesn't come with the flyer or nada. See? Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. Okay, and it's, I could already tell it's new. It hasn't been used. Oh my god, look. Oh my god, it's so long. It's like a lavender color, pero como que tiene like kind of pinkish, reddish, brownish color. This is how you know it's new. Okay, it has a lace. Oh my god, it has so much more hair than the other one. It's so much fuller, it's heavier, it's curly. Oh my god, look how cute. Okay, let's just put it on. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Oh, I love this one porque it doesn't have ¿cómo se llama? It doesn't have a part. So it'll be a lot easier to play with it. I think I'm gonna, oh my god, oh my god, okay, I'm so excited. This hair feels so much better than the other one. So freaking soft, so smooth. Okay, you know what? Let's just cut up the lace de una vez. So I took it off already. Or I cut it off already. So now, let's just put it on. I'm not even gonna glue it down porque... Oh my god! This is so cute! I wish I knew how to freaking put it together bien. Look. Y glue it down right. Y mira. Oh my god! Like I said, I love the fact que no tiene a part. Porque you can literally move your hair around and they're not even gonna know. Look how cute this looks. Let me try it on with the beanie. Where did I look at that? 1 second. Let me comb her down just a little bit. Okay, let me try it on with the beanie. A ver cómo se ve. Oh my god. I'm in love. I'm in love. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh my gosh. But look at this one. I have to be more careful because si se le está cayendo más que la otra. But maybe because it's new, you know? Okay, you guys, what? You can see my red hair is falling out, coming out. What do you guys think about this one? Like, what do you guys rate it? Isn't it freaking cute? It looks so good on me también. I swear it does. Okay, you guys, so let me know in the comments down below which wig was your favorite one, number 1 or number 2. I was in love with the other one, I still am, but I feel like this one just killed it. Literally, these 2 wigs made up for what happened on my last video or with my last wig. So I think this is going to be it for this video. So also, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any tips and tricks about how to apply a wig, let me know in the comments down below as well. And if you guys recommend any other wig for me to purchase, let me know because I feel like I am so down to start purchasing more wigs. So yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and until next time, bye guys.